A recipe for Valentine's Day. First, you select 1 pound of ground beef, 1 large can of pinto beans, 3 avocados, 1 purple or white onion, tomatoes, serrano chiles and 1 sweet red chili, and garlic cloves of your choice. Put the ground beef in a frying pan with oil, stirring continuously over low heat. Add shelled corn and stir it with the ground meat. Then chop a white or purple onion into small cubes. Then chop serrano peppers to taste, 1 or 2. These can be very spicy, watch it. Add them to the ground beef and stir continuously over medium heat. To prepare a good tasting sauce, put several tomatoes, a green bell chili, and peeled garlic cloves on a stovetop or electric grill for a few minutes. When they are ready, crush them in a molkajit or mortar. Or in a deep bowl. Depending on the number of people, fry large corn tortillas on both sides until they are golden brown and can be cut with a knife. Guacamole, 2 to 3 medium avocados, half-ripe. With a spoon, peel the skin. Cut them into pieces and place them in a molkajit or a large ball. Add half a lemon juice to prevent the avocado from oxidizing and turning dark in color. Add the tomato, onion, and chopped cilantro. Salt to taste. Mash them until they are the consistency you like. In a heart-shaped cookie cutter, fry the eggs that will give it the touch of the occasion. You will put a golden tortilla on a plate and add the pinto beans. On top, you will add the meat of the salted already sewn. On top, you will put the fried egg in the shape of a heart. You add guacamole, ranchero cheese, or sour cream as a final touch. And garnish it with sweet chili on each side of the plate.